Impuphu yi 400 kg. Zida. So ipheleli 115. So when I follow my bosses, Tina will not force you to do things that you're not supposed to do because that will take instructions. Because we don't want you to do